So to do this exercise, what I'd first like you to do, Gina, and all of you on the call, is think of an area of your life that's going less than optimally. And you may have a few, but for this exercise, I'd like you to take the least triggering one, and we can always work up to the bigger one. So right now, think of a situation. It could be something small, like a little conflict, maybe with a neighbor or your boss or a family member. It could be something that you're wanting to change in your business, maybe just a small frustration or with the way you work, or even in your schedule that you find yourself always rushing out the door without, feeling as composed as you'd like to be. So have you got that? Just taking a moment to think about a small area in your life that you'd like to find change in. And when you have that, what I'd like you to do, and in a moment, I'm going to ask you to close your eyes. But what I'd like you to do first is place your hands in front of you with your palms facing up. And I want you to imagine that you could place in your hands in front of you this scenario so you can see yourself in the image and anyone else who's part of the drama. If you have anyone, a cast of characters or one character in your life who's in this situation with you that you tend to repeat, maybe a core scene in your life that you're repeating, and just hold that in front of you yourself in the situation with anyone else who belongs there. And if you're, don't try too hard, like just allow it to happen. If you're thinking, oh, I can't see it, I can't imagine it. Our imagination works like that when we allow it to happen naturally. So if I tell you, think of an apple, there it is. Think of stepping into the shower or the bath, there it is. Imagine you're stuck in traffic. It's not hard, right? So right now, hold your hands in front of you and place that image of yourself with this other person or whoever, whatever the situation is in your hands. And now, if you're comfortable doing so, I'd like you to close your eyes. And I invite you to close your eyes because when you close your eyes, automatically, your brain waves begin to slow down. And this automatically helps you to activate a deeper connection to your deeper mind. So closing your eyes and also very gently, just lower your head just very slightly and gently towards your heart. And doing so again creates a feeling of reverence, a slight bowing, and just dropping out of a lot of chatter in the mind. So you're holding in your hands in front of you an image of yourself in a situation that has created some discomfort for you up to this point. And as you hold that image in front of you, I want you to see what you're thinking and what you're feeling. And don't try to change anything. Just let it be what it is with no judgment, no criticism, just allowing your feelings to be as they are. So there might be a feeling of discomfort, of upset, maybe fear, anxiety, worry, disappointment, anger. It's okay. Just see yourself in front of you in that situation, and you can imagine that you're seeing your thoughts and feelings as if they were in little bubbles, like a cartoon characters. And feeling your body here, and you're holding your hands in front of you. And I want you to just look at yourself there in front of you and see what you're needing. Just as if you were a journalist or a scientist, and just see what you're needing. Are you needing to be understood? Are you needing to be heard? Are you needing more safety, more security, control, freedom? Just see what you're needing. That's it. Great. Excellent. And now for a moment, I want you to take your focus away from yourself. You're still holding that scene in front of you in your hands. And if you want to, you can rest your hands down on a table or your lap if it's easier for you. But your palms are up and you're holding that scene. And I want you to imagine that you become aware that above you is a bright, beautiful sun. The sun above you is going larger and larger. And even if in this moment that I'm speaking to you, it's nighttime or evening, or a rainy or a cloudy day and there's no sun, right now just imagine a beautiful, beautiful, radiant golden sun above you. It's getting larger and larger, but the temperature is perfect. Unless you want to feel warm, the temperature is exactly as you like it, but it's this light, so bright, so magnificent, so radiant, moving closer and closer, closer and closer. The sun is getting larger and larger, falling into your lap and filling you, coming in through the top of your head, filling all the space around you. Now you are in the sun, and the sun is all around you. Breathing in the radiant healing light of the sun, and imagine that light shines down on your hands and this whole image dissolving all the thoughts and feelings, letting your hands relax completely, all the images fading, all those thoughts and feelings being washed away and healed by this brilliant, radiant, healing sun. This light is filling every cell of your body, filling you with everything that that part of you was needing, filling you with love, with peace, this brilliant, radiant light filling all the cells of your body with healing. So thirsty, breathing this light in to every cell. And imagine these words written in light in your heart. I am loved, I am loving, I am lovable. I am free, I am safe. I am filled with love, with abundance, with joy. All my needs are met. Every day, my life is getting better and better. I am one with all of life. Saying your name, I am one with all of life. Saying this to yourself. And when you're ready, just very, very gently opening your eyes, gently coming back into the room. Imagine taking the light of the sun with you, so it'll be sitting with you for the rest of this program.